Strong technical force, stable and efficient team. More than 20 years of hard working to get ahead. Qinhuangdao Sino-Ocean Marine Equipment Machinery Company Limited is located in Qinhuangdao, an important port city in Bohai Rim region of China. The company is more than 20 kilometers away from the port, the world's largest coal export port. Since its establishment in 1995, the company has always been committed to providing systematic and professional one-stop service for the maritime industry. After 25 years of development, it has now grown into a comprehensive enterprise which gathers spare parts supplying, processing, and renovation, ship repair, technical support, and shipbuilding equipment supplied together. Reliable one-stop service. Sino-Ocean Marine covers an area of 83 acres, with 8,000 square meters of office and 24,000 square meters of spare parts warehouse. The weight of the total inventory is about 8,000 tons. It is the largest and the most complete marine spare parts and equipment storage center in Asia. The business scope of the company includes ship main auxiliary engine spare parts, diesel generator sets, turbochargers, boiler separators, air compressors, plate heat exchanger, water pumps, air conditioners, provision refrigerators, boilers, deck machinery, and navigation equipment. Since its establishment, the company has been maintaining close cooperative relations with main engine manufacturers and subsidiary factories worldwide. The company is renowned for reliable purchasing source, stable high quality, and reasonable price. In addition to supplying equipment and spare parts, depend on strong technical force and rich experience in voyage repair. Sino-Ocean Marine Engineering and Technical Department also undertakes ship repair business and voyage repair services in northern ports of China. Our advantage projects include maintenance and fault analysis and repair services of diesel engine, turbocharger, hydraulic systems on deck machinery, communication and navigation equipment, automation and electrical system. At the same time, we can also provide customers with full set of disassembled, inspecting and testing tools. We are not only striving for excellence in ship repair, but also making achievements in the field of spare parts renovation, with international advanced technology and processing equipment being introduced. Sino-Ocean Marine can provide the following ship spare parts recognition services: cylinder cover, piston crown, connecting rod, valve spindles and valve seats, etc. Our welding technology and materials, renovation processing technique, testing standard, and the qualification of the workers have passed the certification of CCS. Meanwhile, our company has a large number of recognition parts for exchange to save customers time and operating costs. Goal-oriented scientific management. Over the past 25 years, the company has matured in personnel and management. Among the 65 employees, there are 24 business elites and 8 senior ship engineers with more than 15 years of working experience. The company consists of business department, purchasing department, technology department, marketing department, finance department, logistics department, and administration department. This scientific organization structure has achieved the company a unique efficient management model and harmonious corporate culture. The company is the first to adopt the SPS management system to realize scientific and data management. A large amount of valuable big data has been accumulated in our system platform, which becomes the data basis for common parts inventory procurement. These data contribute to make our inventory to meet the market needs and provide a better service to our customers. Responsibility sharing with credit implies advancing with the company. Sino-Ocean Marine not only pays attention to its own development, but also to the interests, health and safety of its employees through sections such as income, welfare, position, development, culture, and other diversified incentives. We actively provide more promotion opportunity and stage for people who have outstanding performance. On the other hand, we organize various activities to enhance mutual communication among employees and establish a harmonious atmosphere of Sino-Ocean family. Based in China, serving the world. For a long time, Sino-Ocean people have been adhering to a sincere service attitude, a sense of competition for excellence, and a professional spirit to achieve customer satisfaction. We serve thousands of fleet every year. Our customers cover the whole country. Sino-Ocean Marine is the first tire supplier of China Cargo Shipping, Shenhua Group, Yudian Group, Huaneng Group, Zhengneng Group, and other large domestic shipping groups. With the rapid development of China's shipbuilding and shipping industry, we are also actively going abroad to serve the world's shipping industry. Sino-Ocean Marine has learned and mastered the latest technology of the industry, participating in various maritime exhibitions around the world. These exhibitions allow us to communicate well with customers face to face. Relying on our abundant stock, reasonable prices, and professional services, now we have successfully expanded a broad overseas market, established a long-term and stable cooperative relation with customers in major countries and regions in Europe, America, and Southeast Asia, and won a good reputation of customers. Innovation for development, keeping professional to go further. Gaining a better insight into our company, you will find out that Sino-Ocean Marine has a clear division and cooperation among departments, a strict management mechanism, precise work attitude, a huge sales network, strong technical strength, and harmonious enterprise culture. Sino-Ocean has established its own brand with its unique advantages. Being a reliable company, Sino-Ocean Marine is ready to be with you whenever and wherever you need.